If you've already started packing your backpack and you start to get a headache, stop for a second. Hello, I am Mariel, your favorite guide on the Inca Trail. And in the next minutes, I'm going to show you what to pack so you can make the most of your 4 days on the Inca Trail. You will learn what clothes to pack, what goes in your travel backpack, what porters carry, and above all, how to adapt your luggage for different weather changes. At the end of the video, you will have a clear checklist to enjoy the Inca Trail. Why pack matters. Before diving into the details, let's put the Inca Trail in context. On the classic 4-day version, you'll hike about 26 miles, and the highest point is the famous 𝗃𝗵𝗿𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗃 Pass at around 13,828 feet of elevation. This means you can expect sections with sunshine and comfortable daytime temperatures, cold and humid mornings, and nights that can drop close to 32 degrees Fahrenheit depending on the season. Essential documents and must-haves. Let's start with what you absolutely cannot forget. 1. Original passport. Without it, you cannot enter the Inca Trail or Machu Picchu. Keep it in a small waterproof pouch, always in your day pack. 2. Permits and tickets. Your agency usually handles the permits, but it's a good idea to carry digital copies of your reservation, train tickets, and hotel bookings on your phone. 3. Cash, Peruvian soles, small bills for snacks, bathrooms, purchases, and tips along the route. 4. Quick tip. Create a small, untouchable kit with your passport, some cash, and a card. That kit lives in your day pack at all times. Dress in layers. This is where most travelers overpack. You don't need many clothes, just the right ones. Think in 3 layers. 1. Base layer, next to your skin. 2 or 3 t-shirts made of quick-drying material and no cotton. 1 thermal top for cold nights and early mornings. 2. Mid-layer for insulation. 1 fleece or lightweight down synthetic jacket, and if you get cold easily, add a second light layer. 3. Outer layer for protection. A waterproof and breathable jacket with a hood. Lightweight rain pants if you're hiking in the rainy season. For your legs, 1 or 2 trekking pants that dry quickly. If they convert into shorts, even better for switching from cold mornings to warm afternoons. For sleeping, pack a set only for camp. Thermal top, thermal bottoms, warm socks. Remember, near the highest camps, around 13,000 feet, nighttime temperatures drop significantly. These layers make all the difference. Footwear and socks. These 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗃 because your feet do all the work. Trekking boots, waterproof or at least water-resistant. Good ankle support, and already broken in, don't bring brand new boots to the Inca Trail. 2. Trekking socks. 3 to 4 pairs of good hiking socks, preferably made of merino wool or technical fabric, not cotton. If you're prone to blisters, bring thin liner socks. 3rd, camp shoes. Lightweight sandals or very light sneakers to rest your feet in the afternoon. Wanting to learn more about which footwear to bring? Here's the link to the full video. Backpack and key gear. On the Inca Trail, porters carry the camping gear and part of your belongings. You hike with a backpack. Recommended backpack. Capacity of 20 to 30 liters. With waist and chest straps, side pockets for water bottle, and built-in rain cover. Inside your day pack, you should carry 1 or 2 liters of water bottles or camel bag, waterproof jacket and mid-layer, hat and gloves if it's the cold season, sun hat and sunglasses, sunscreen and SPF lip balm, snacks, nuts, bars, chocolate, personal medication, phone, camera, and power bank. Your agency usually provides a duffel bag. That's where the rest of your clothes and your sleeping bag go, with a maximum weight of 11 pounds. Sleeping bag. Nights on the Inca Trail can be very cold, especially in the dry season. Many agencies allow you to rent a sleeping bag in Cusco, but if you bring your own, look for one with a comfort rating close to 23 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Hygiene and health items. Toothbrush and small toothpaste. Mini biodegradable soap. Wet wipes, quick dry microfiber towel, hand sanitizer, small first aid kit, ibuprofen, band-aids, blister pads, tape, and your personal medications. Keep in mind that altitude exceeds 13,800 feet, and many people feel its effects. You can bring altitude medication recommended by your doctor, electrolyte tablets, coca candies, or Andean herbal teas you can buy in Cusco. Important: any medication must be approved by your doctor before your trip. This video is informational, not medical advice. Things you don't need: several jeans or heavy pants, large bottles of shampoo, creams, etc. More than one pair of trekking shoes. Too many clothes. Your packing should be light and functional. In summary, prioritize lightweight layers instead of heavy clothing. Bring broken-in trekking boots and good socks. Use a 20 to 30 liter day pack with the essentials for each day. Always keep your passport, money, and medication with you. If you follow this checklist, you'll be ready for the 4 days on the Inca Trail without carrying unnecessary items. Now, traveler, now that you know what to pack, remember to like this video and share it with all your friends. On the other hand, if you have more questions about this hike, remember that on our profile you'll find all the videos answering each of these questions. And if you're already ready to start this adventure, don't forget to write to us on our WhatsApp number or through our website. If you want to know more about this hike, you and I will see each other in the next video.